Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to above. You will search here about Discord app and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking